Alright guys, it's the video you've been waiting for, the long-awaited room tour. So here is what you're gonna see when you first enter my room. So we got my door, there's nothing really on it, it's just kind of a basic door. And then on the other side, I have a command hook for my towels when they're wet. And then I have a little sign up there, it says live, love, laugh. I do not know where I got it from, but if I do know where I got something from, I will tell you guys where it's from and I'll try to link it down below. So if you guys are curious about any home decor, it'll be in the description. So I got this cute little Maura sign. I feel like this is from like pre-K, so it's been there for a while. And then we have my light switch, in case you're wondering what that was. And then the first area you kind of walk into is this area. So I guess it's kind of like the almost like clothing section, I guess you could say, because we got my dresser, and then over here we have my closet. So let's first talk about this little corner. I got this plant. It's from IKEA. We have this mirror. I got this for really cheap, and I really like this mirror. I think it was from Walmart. And I really like it, so I can like see myself in my outfits for the morning. So that's why I like the mirror. It's really nice. And then in my closet, I got 3 bins from Target, which are so cute. And then that holds my sweatshirts, my sweaters, and then I have like t-shirts. We have a hook over here, and then on this hook I have like medals and like purses and things like that. And then if we open up to the other side of the closet, there's like dresses, and there's just a whole bunch of other random stuff being stored, but I don't really show that a lot, so I'll just close that back up. And then over here we have my laundry bin from IKEA. We have this storage cube unit that's also from IKEA. And then we have my window, and on top of this storage unit we have a few different accessories. I just have some cute books I took off the like cover, and I just like put them there because they look cute. And then we have my camera. We have just a picture. We have this like cute piggy bank. I've had this for a while. I don't know where it's from. We have this like necklace stand. Don't know where I got it from. I think I got it like from a craft store. And then we have this cool like thing that I made once. It's like paint and cotton balls. And then we have some shells. And yeah. And then down here we have some books, and then there's some Harry Potter stuff because I love Harry Potter. The books are all in rainbow order. So that's this section of my room. Moving on, we have my dresser and then my bed area. So my dresser is also from IKEA, and this is where I have most of my clothing in. And then on top of my dresser, this is from IKEA, has a whole bunch of things like hairbrushes and hair ties and bracelets and nail polish. And I have a coaster that I made over here to the side of my bed. And then over here we have my Alexa. And then we have a plant from Target, and that is what's over there. And then over here we have a jewelry organizer from, I believe, Amazon. And then we have some of my favorite necklaces up here. We have some cute succulents. It came in a pack of 3 from Amazon. And I actually got this at like a craft fair, this cute music box, which I thought was so adorable. So I like that. Then we have this like sand garden. I think that's also on Amazon. I just have like a picture. And this is from IKEA. And then if we look up, we have some plant hangers from Amazon. This is from Target, and this is from IKEA. I really like how it kind of goes long and down. And then I have this from Target. I kind of want to get another one from IKEA, but for right now that's there. And then the other one is over there. So then we have my mirror, just a square. I don't know where I got it, and then I have this macrame thing I made up there. So now we have my bed. The comforter is from Overstock, I believe. The sheets are just from Amazon. The pillow, I believe, is Target. And I just love this pattern and the pillow. It's all so cute. And then we have this blanket, which has been in my family for a while, so I have no idea where I got that from. We have my trash can. Don't mind the trash, but we just have a basic trash can down there. We have this light, which I believe is like from IKEA. Pretty basic light. And then we have this wonderful wall, which I love so much. We have a whole bunch of vines from Amazon. Got some twinkle lights from Amazon. And then we have 2 macrame things. I didn't make those, but I got them off of Amazon. And then over there we have my nightstand, a lamp from IKEA. And then the nightstand, I have no idea where I got it from. Then over here we have 3 hexagon shelves from, you guessed it, Amazon. On top we have 3 little succulents that come in a pack from IKEA. We got some different photos. I have another succulent over there. I think it's from Walmart. That is like from Washington, D.C. And then I just kind of collected these different like rocks and things like that. And I just put together just kind of a cute little thing over there. So this is probably one of my favorite parts of my room. I just love the shelves and the vines and the comforter. It's all so cute. And it's probably one of my favorites. But I also have another favorite section, and this is this section. This is kind of like the hangout work section, I guess, of my room. So over here I got my fan, and I have this like toy chest, which I just put some pillows over. And then we have a basket with my towels. Oh, and my rug over here is from Lowe's. And we have another rug from IKEA, which is this kind of like a beige kind of rug, almost like a jute rug. And then we have my little like hangout, like chill daybed kind of thing. So when I moved up to this room, I had a twin bed, but I was going to use the new queen bed. So we just turned this into like a cool daybed, and I love this. So we have a blanket, which I think is like from Kohl's. We have a whole bunch of pillows. Which are all from Amazon, except that one. I actually made that one myself, which I'm super proud about. I got some fabric from Joann Fabrics and then actually just sewed it on, which is so cool. And then we have Baby Yoda. If you guys like Mandalorian, comment down below. And then we just have like a gray blanket over. And then over here we have a moon cycle from Amazon. We have some extra vines over here. And we have this pin board from Amazon, I believe. And I just love hanging stuff up there, which is super cute. And now we have my desk. So this is where I do all my like schoolwork and stuff like that. And I was working here a lot for online school, but now I'm like in person, which is super fun. So this chair is from IKEA. Then I have this like a pillow, which I think I got from like Five Below on here, just for some extra cushion. The desk is from IKEA, and then I actually did like a DIY where I put marble on the desk drawers. See, I have some left over there. But it's just contact paper I got from Amazon, and I just stuck it on, and there we go. And then we have my purple lamp, which I love, and you can actually just turn it on by touching it from anywhere. So that's cool. I have this really cute clock, Amazon. Oh! And the tissues fell. Okay, we'll get that in a moment. So we have this cute clock from Amazon. We have the succulent from Amazon that came in that pack of 3. And then we have some colored pencils in a jar, which I think I got like from like a yard sale or something. Then we have this plant from IKEA. Then we have this is like a DIY. I just put like macrame on a random like cup, and then I drew on it, so it was a little bit cuter. And then I have this little letterboard from Five Below, another succulent from Amazon. This is a stapler from Five Below. And then over here we got this really fun like stationery organizer from Amazon, and I love this. Then this is another DIY. I put some more marble contact paper on just like a random cup that I had to make it a little cuter. Then we have my clock, my iPad, and then we have 2 jars from Harry Potter World in Orlando. If anyone likes Harry Potter, they actually say Honeydukes on them. And then we have my calendar. We have some like awards. And then this is kind of like a mess right now, but it's just where I charge everything. So I have like all my chargers and everything like that. And then over here we have a macrame thing that I made, and we have 2 macrame that came in a set of 3. We got this lamp from IKEA. We have a basket with all my stuffed animals, and then we have my tripod right there. So now that we got all of that stuff out of the way, now let's go over to like this section, which is kind of like storage section. So we have this cube unit from IKEA, and then the bins also from IKEA, and then I have some like books, which are like in rainbow order, of course, and then I just have like random things on display. I don't know where any of these really came from, but I just have some cute things on display. And then above that we have a TV, which I don't really use that often, but I do have up here. And then those are the remotes for the TV. On this side we have a Salt Rock lamp, which is from Five Below, which is super great because those can be like up to like $25. We got one for like $5 at Five Below, and it still works cool. And then we have a duck that's actually from my brother when my brother was born. That's like a whole different story though. And I have like just a picture in a basket. Over here we have my beanbag chair. I don't know where it's from, maybe from Amazon, I don't know. But then we have a little stuffed animal on top of that. Then we have my other lamp from IKEA, which is the same as that lamp over there. And then all of this is just Legos that I really like because I like Legos a lot. So this is like a display of all my favorite Legos, and then in the background we have my name. So that's all of that. And then over here we have a bookshelf with a whole bunch of books from everything from like Harry Potter.
We've got Land of Stories, Hunger Games,
A whole bunch of different things up here. And then we have this other succulent from Target. That succulent down there is from Walmart. More Legos on top. And then we have like an old hat box from my grandmother. We have the door to the attic of the house because I'm on the top floor. And then I put some cute pictures on there, which I printed from my photo printer. There's the other like mini macrame thing from the set of 3 on the door there. I got this like M hanger from Five Below, and I just put like jackets on it that I like to wear. And then that's the light switch for the attic. And then these are like all my Disney pins. Actually, there are pins from other places too. Like there's some Harry Potter pins, but I just like collecting pins. My whole family is a big pin collector person, so we like to collect pins. So we got these like fun pin flags, I think probably from Amazon again. And we put a bunch of pins on them. And then over here, I actually got this from like a friend. She gave me like all these craft supplies to make a sign, and then I made the sign. It says Maura, which is my name, and that's it. So that concludes the room tour. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing what my room is like. It is pretty big, but trust me, I had a really small room before, and my parents agreed to let me have this really big room for like high school and things like that. So that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give it a like, comment down below what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!